Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss about product mix. When a product developed to a certain level, any manufacturers want to develop their products in length, width, breadth, depth. So if they get an opportunity in the market to develop their product into various segments, they have to form a strategy. So let us talk about the strategy or the opportunities what the manufacturers have in their hands. In marketing management, the product mix, also known as product assortment, refers to the complete set of all products and services offered for sales by a particular company. While a product line is a group of related items like Coca-Cola's sparkling soft drink, the product mix is the big picture. The sum of every single line the company manages includes product mix. So let us see the four dimensions of product mix to get a clear idea about how it functions. Marketing, or rather the marketers analyze a product mix using four specific dimensions. This helps a company decide how to allocate resources to the products and how to grow or to identify the growth of each variance. First dimension is width. The number of different product lines a company carries. Say, for example, if you are taking the Apple Incorporation's products, based on which we can give examples. So, as far as width is concerned, the Apple's iPhone, Mac, iPad, watches, and other services which comes under the width. The second variant is, the dimension is length. The total number of items within the product line is known as length. Say, for example, the total number of models across all lines with Apple Incorporations includes iPhone 15, MacBook Air, iPad Pro, etc. So these all comes under the length. So next, let us talk about the depth. The number of versions, or rather the variants, offered of each product in the line. Say, for example, variations in based on the storage, 128 GB, 256 GB, or colors, space, gray, silver. So all these things comes under the depth of each individual products. The next one is, the fourth one is consistency. How closely related the various product line are in the end use, production or distribution. High consistency, all are consumer electronics versus low consistency, example Samsung, they make chips and also phones. But as far as Apple is concerned, they entirely depend upon the electronic products which are closely associated with the mobile phones and the computers. So these are the four different variants where we can differentiate our products, or where we can establish a variety or variants. Whatever the customer asks, we will be ready to offer. The one thing is very important is how we are able to manage all these four variants or the four dimensions. So let us talk about the product mix strategies for better picture or a clear picture. So what is the strategy here? So the strategies are, it includes expansions and contractions, deepening, line structuring. So what is expansion? Adding a new product line to increase width. Say, for example, software companies start selling hardware. This is an opportunity for them. The second one is contractions. Removing low performing product line or item to improve profitability and focus. So once they have various variants, even more one line is failure or is not up to the mark, or the demand is reducing, or they are facing any other marketing issues where they have to drop down. So the manufacturer can target on other related lines what they have, so they can balance the profit. Deepening, again, it adding more version to an existing line to increase depth. For example, adding a sugar-free or cherry flavor to a soda line. So the line process or deepening or depth of the product can be more and more, so that they can reach more markets, more customers. They can position themselves in more customers' mind, so that the profitability they will be increased. The line stretching. What is line stretching? Lengthening a product line beyond its current range. Say, for example, down market stretch. Adding a low priced version to attract budgeted customers. So they can concentrate on the segmentation process, can be on all kind of customers. Then upmark stretch. It means adding a premium version to build prestige. Example, Toyota creating Lexus. So even you can increase your prestige-based concept where you can identify that customers, or where you can target on that customer. I hope this information will be more useful for you. Thank you.